Hey everyone, it is Mickey with Travels with Mickey and the website zestfortravel.net. We are currently on board the Celebrity Beyond, and let's go a quick tour of a sky suite on deck 10. Now, as I mentioned, this is deck 10, cabin 216. Enter into a nice hallway. Pull in a little bit. We do have closets right here. There is a fixed shelf and plenty of shelving here. And we did have to request some extra hangers, which our butler very kindly and quickly retrieved for us. So we were able to hang everything up. Before we go into the bathroom right there, I would like to show you this closet, some shelves, the safe, and some drawers. Now, I mentioned this is the bathroom. So this is a magnetic door, so it does close very quickly. You can't really stop it. It's very loud. So at night, be careful with that. Nice big bathroom with a large trough sink and 2 faucets, some shelving there, and a nice big bathtub with a rain shower head. Now, to turn on the shower, you see this little lever right here? You turn it that way. I'm not going to turn it because I don't want to get wet, but you turn the lever that way for the shower head and this way to get the wand. So, little heads up there. The bathroom has its own door, which I find very nice. And there's the toilet and the little shelf where we put our spray, because cabins are small, so it's nice to keep a nice little bathroom spray in there. The link for that is below if you would like to get some. Now, one of the unique things about this bathroom is that opens up, so you get a view of the entire cabin, but that's a solid window. It doesn't, you can't reach through. So we keep it closed. So, hey, you come back out, and this is the cabin. It's a good size. We have the beds put together, so it makes it a king size bed. We asked for an extra pillow, which you are more than welcome to do. Bedside lamps, some storage. This side has an outlet and the phone, which also has a USB plug in it, and more storage. A nice little couch. They do provide you with beach towels if you want to go ashore, to go to the beach, and a tote bag. Now, the balcony is quite large. We are in Jamaica today, so there's a nice view of Jamaica. And the Disney Treasure, who is our shipmate import. So we have 2 nice chairs and a little table. I'm gonna go back in because it is kind of loud out there. Let's try and close this door. I'll get that later. We have more drawers here, so there's plenty of storage. These are gifts that we got, so don't expect to find those in your cabin. Those were from our daughter, who is a crew member. And there's, you can request extra waters in a suite. This is the outlets for charging. You have 1 European, 2 US, and 2 USBs. What I have found is my computer outlet charger does not fit. It is too wide, so I needed to bring along a outlet extender, which I did not pack this time, thinking I wouldn't need it, but it would have been very helpful. And you have a refrigerator, and in suites, these are stocked daily with your choice of beers, waters, sodas. And a nice little desk area And your butler can bring you everyday breakfast. There's the menu for that. And then we also get daily snacks, which, there it is. So we have daily delights, which the butler can bring, and afternoon lunch or dinner, and wines by the glass. Now there is no charge for this room service for suites only. So that is the cabin. We also bring these clips, which I have a link to something very similar down below. It helps keep, helps keep the cabin organized, along with, there's a link for some hooks that can go on the wall for hanging up hats or jackets, bathing suits, anything like that, just to help keep things organized. So again, this is a sky suite. I forgot to mention that all of the controls in the room can be done via your phone, via the app. So we can open and close the drapes, turn on the lights, adjust the temperatures, all through the app. You don't have to get up and do it. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour. Remember, if you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Bye-bye for now.